everybody, my name is Sarah Nurse and I am a beauty vlogger. I'm here with Redken today to show you how to do double Dutch braids. These braids are so trendy right now and they're actually really easy to do. The first thing I'm going to do is part my hair down the middle with a tail comb. Now that my hair is parted in the center, I'm going to tie off one side with an elastic just to get it out of the way. Next, I'm going to take Braid Aid to define and add grip to the area that I'm going to be braiding. Now I'm going to do a Dutch braid down the back of my head. A Dutch braid is just like a regular braid except you go underneath the center strand instead of over. So to do this Dutch braid, I'm dividing my hair into 3 sections. Then I'm taking the outside section and crossing it underneath the middle. I'm picking up hair from my head, incorporating it, and crossing it underneath the middle section. Now that I have finished this side, I'm going to apply Braid Aid and do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So this is where Braid Aid really comes in handy. As I go along, instead of my hair slipping, it really has good grip and it makes it so much easier. And I'm going to secure it with an elastic. Next, I'm going to take a small section of hair and wrap it around that elastic just to hide it. I decided to finish the look with these decorative hairpins because I really think they complement this hairstyle. Next, I'm going to tug slightly on the braid just to give it a little extra volume. I'm going to finish off with Beach Envy Wave Aid just to add some beach waves to the ends of my hair. So that's it, you're all done. I absolutely love this style. I think these waves are gorgeous and so perfect for summer.